Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Habib Sakib from a major account. I want to give an opinion on the difference between Indonesia and Australia. First, from a culinary perspective, for example, don't be surprised if you find Australian food that is a little bland or doesn't have a strong taste like Indonesian food. Indonesian dishes tend to be dominated by strong spicy flavor and often obscure the original taste of the ingredient in them. However, often does sweet the Indonesian people's tongue well in Australia. The culinary tends to accentuate its original taste. For example, if you process beef, just add salt, pepper, and then roast. So the original taste of the dish is not lost. If Indonesia, cuisine is popular with soto, nasi goreng, and nasi padang. Then the popular Australian food tends to be great food such as meat or seafood, but of course, they don't use many spices when processing these dishes. Second, in terms of the culture or tradition, Indonesia has the most densely populated tradition called the finger cutting originating from the Papua region. This tradition, which is considered to be extreme, has indeed been abominated by the Dani tribe. Finger cutting is a tradition to show sadness at being left behind by a family member. For the Dani tribe, the finger has a deeper meaning, symbolized as a form of harmony, unity, and strength in a human being or a family. The second is the Dugderan tradition, which originated from Semarang. Toward the fasting month, the city of Semarang will be crowded with Dugderan events. This tradition that has existed for a long time is a signal that the fasting month has come. One of the characteristics of this event is the arak-arak warak ngedok. Warak ngedok is an artificial animal that has the body of a god, has a dragon head, and has a golden sails. While in Australia, there is a tradition called the Chumu Festival. Chumu Festival is a 4-day festival held at Voyages Rock Resort in April. This festival celebrates all indigenous culture, from culture, fashion, sport, music, art, and food. The second is the Tari Tiwi tradition. Tari Tiwi is a tradition dance from Aboriginal tribes. This dance is performed with a strong movement, where every change of movement must be done in accordance with the striking of a musical instrument. Third, Indonesian people have the same characteristic as Australia. They really appreciate different and maintain tolerance and respect for different each other. Fourth, the difference between the weather in Indonesia and Australia. In a tropical country, Indonesia has a rainy season and a dry season, while Australia has a subtropical climate, which is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Fifth, the demographic difference between Indonesia and Australia. Domestically, Indonesia has a population of about 260 million people. Indonesia is the fourth most populous country in the world. The ethnic composition in Indonesia varies little because the country has hundreds of ethnic and cultural diversity. However, more than half of Indonesian population is dominated by the two large ethnic groups. This section discusses the structure and characteristics of the Indonesian population. Australia, on the other hand, the vast majority of Australian 22 million population suspect of being descended from colonial settlers and post-Federation immigrants from Europe. with nearly 90% of the population being of European descent. Over the generation, most immigrants have come from the British Isles, and most of Australian population is a British or Irish descent. Now, the conclusion from the difference between Indonesia and Australia is that this country is geographically close neighborhood, but has a various differences such as historical and cultural background. The bilateral relationship between Indonesia and Australia is a friendship. On the one hand, it promises various opportunities from cooperation, but on the other hand, is also full of challenge. This condition is caused by various striking differences between the two neighboring countries and nations, namely related to culture, level of development progress, political action, which also result in difference in priority interests. Apologies if there is a wrong pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.